Assalamualaikum. Hope that you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn a new thing in Excel. That means, for example, if you write anything, that means md dot question. Here you see that the column is not adjusted automatically, so you can do it manually. So try a new thing, so by which we can do it automatically. So if you write anything, the column will be adjusted according to the limit of our writing. So let's try. First, right click on the sheet 1, then view code, then choose worksheet from the drop down, then here write cells, then enter column, then auto fit. Now you can close it and start writing here. So you have seen the result. The columns are adjusted automatically if you write anything, and depending on your word limit. You are no longer to do it manually.